Now this braking system is very easy to set up. I will show you in the couple of seconds. Viskikola ja Maria, ai tuli taidata, omadi apsa, ai taidata. Viskikola ja Maria, taidata, omadi apsa.
That is how you disengage the brakes.
Later I put some filler and paint on very.
The best braking system I built so far. Even I put more throttle and it's still 100% stop.